Cantik.
ABC or DS?
And together with me, the flight is my fellow colleague, Mr. Clement. I'd like to welcome you aboard Jetstar Asia Flight 202 bound for Singapore. Flight time today approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. And with you in the cabin is on the full customer service team led by the lovely Miss Julia. And they'll be looking after our company at certain point in time, but I do require that you give them your full cooperation at all times. We're climbing to 36,000 feet, approximately 12 kilometers above the sea level, and we are expecting some light bumps on the way to Singapore. So during the flight, whenever the seatbelt sign is off, although you are welcome to move about the cabin, however, may request in the interest of safety that you do keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you're seated, just in case we encounter some unexpected turbulence. And we push back shortly once you get the clearance, and I'll update you again prior to descent to Singapore. In the meantime, please sit back and enjoy the Jetstar Asia service. Thank you.
Carrying crew, please come down cross check for departure. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm customer service manager Julia. With me on this flight are Tiffany, Vicky, and Nura. On behalf of Captain Ryan, Senior First Officer, Clement, and my team, welcome aboard Jetstar flight 3K2022 Singapore. We would also like to raise some warm welcome to our conscious frequent flyers and co-share passengers. The flight time is approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. For your safety, please search your baggage storage securely under the seat in front of the compartments. Passengers seated at the emergency rows must place our baggage, including those items in the compartments for takeoff and landing. Kindly take care of personal belongings and valuables at all times during the flight. We have recently introduced changes to allow you to use multiple electronic devices if you are in flight mode throughout the flight. Please ensure your devices are switched to flight mode. Transmitting devices not in flight mode may interfere navigation instruments and must remain switched on throughout the flight. Large devices must be stored and only allowed to be used when the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please note that headphones and portable chargers must not be used until after takeoff when the seatbelt sign is turned off. We'll repeat on overways on the meantime. Please make yourself comfortable. Once again, welcome aboard. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm traveling on an Airbus A320 and it's important they're familiar with the safety features of this aircraft. Even if you fly with Jetstar frequently, we appreciate your attention for just a few minutes. Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is essential for takeoff, turbulence and landing. To do it up, put the clamps in the buckle and tighten as shown. Undo it by lifting the buckle flap. You should keep your seatbelt down whenever you're seated, just in case we come across any unexpected turbulence. In your seat pocket, you will find a safety briefing card that shows brace position and other important information on what you do in the unlikely event of emergency. Please take a moment to read it before we take off. The A320 has an emergency exit. Look to where the crew is pointing to find your nearest exit. A good way to remember is to count the number of seats between you and the exit. The crew will also point out lights like a path to the exit. If we have to evacuate, you must leave all cabin baggage behind. Remember that in an emergency, it's the crew that will most have to follow their instructions. Should oxygen be required, a mask will appear from above you. Pull it down firmly, put it on quickly over your nose and mouth and tighten the straps. Once the mask is working properly, you can help others, including children. Your life jacket is located within easy reach under your seats. To put it on, place the life jacket overhead and clip the waistband at the front. It has two rag tags, two mouthpieces for inflation, and a whistle and light for attracting tension. You must only inflate life jacket as you leave the aircraft. To prepare for takeoff, ensure your seatbelt is upright, your armrest down, your chair table is stowed away, and your window shade is open. Finally, check that your seatbelt is securely fastened low and tight. Civil aviation law requires to comply with all safety notices and signs on this aircraft. Tampering with or any theft of aircraft item is an offence and may result in fines or prosecution. Smoking any part of the aircraft is prohibited and smoke detectors have been fitted. If you are not sure anything I told you, please check the safety card in your seat pocket. We thank you for attention and enjoy your flight. Excuse me, sir. Sorry,
Cabin crew, please prepare the cabin for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, as bound to land, please ensure seatbelt is firmly fastened. Stay upright, your tray tables to end, window shade is open. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Changi Airport, Singapore. The local time is 12:30 in the afternoon. If your mobile phone or tablet is within reach, you may now switch it on. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened and the seatbelt sign is switched on. To pay attention to all announcements even while you use your devices. Take care when opening the compartments and ensure you're taking all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. Passenger with connecting flight on Jetstar in Singapore require new boarding passes. Please proceed to Transfer Desk Counter C, located in the departure transit lounge or Terminal 1 for assistance. If you are holding your boarding pass for your connecting flight, please check for your boarding gate details on the flight information display in the airport. Kindly report early to the boarding gate to prevent delay. On behalf of Captain Wright and the rest of the crew, thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar. It has been a pleasure with us today and we look forward to seeing you again. So thank you and good afternoon.
Can you please listen to those?